Hi, my name is Jimmy Koenig. I'm the department head here at Ohio Technical College's welding program. Today we have our students welding on some 6-inch carbon steel pipe in the 6G position. We're welding this using the GTAW process. We'll cover the different methods for running the root, getting good fusion on the fill passes, and getting good consistency on the cap. By the end of it, our students will be doing this on 2-inch in the 6G position. This continues to be a crucial component to our program because it continues to be the gatekeeper for the highest paid jobs in our industry. So we really shoot for our students by the end of this to walk out of here with a 6G GTAW 2-inch qualification. You also have the opportunity of 2 qualifications or 2 certifications of your choice at no additional cost to your tuition.